It's me Sadaf Bilal from Government Girls High Secondary School Kotibag as I'm here to tell you something related to International Day for Biological Diversity. The International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated each year on 22 May, a date in our calendar dedicated to raising global awareness about the importance of protecting biological resources and the global biodiversity that shapes our environment. Not only the various species of plants, animals, and microorganisms around us, but also the genetic diversity of each of them, as well as the great variety of ecosystem that make up our planet. The disappearance of the International Day for Biological Diversity from our list of annual milestones would be major news, as International Day of Observance exists to give much needed visibility to problems that must be resolutely tackled. But when it comes to biodiversity, the date regarding its deterioration continues to get worse year on year, and the need to take action to stop this grows increasingly urgent. Only once we realize that we are part of solution will be able to put a stop to the damage that we are causing to nature. That's all. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I'm Sania Mehraj of Class 11A and I'm here to speak on the topic Biodiversity Day. The term biodiversity was coined in 1985. Biodiversity describes the richness and variety of life on Earth. It is the most complex and important feature of our planet. Without biodiversity, life would not sustain. There are three types of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Biodiversity and its maintenance are very important for sustaining life on Earth. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, as I'm Nilofer of class 11th representing Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Kotibag, Srinagar. The International Day for the Biological Diversity is celebrated. This day is dedicated to raising global awareness about the importance of protecting biological resources and the global biodiversity that shapes our environment. Not only the various species of plants, animals, and microorganisms around us, but also the genetic diversity of each of them, as well as the great variety of ecosystem that makes up our planet. In the end, I would like to say that we should take all the essential steps in order to make our environment better. Thank you for your time and patience. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Filza Mushtaq from 11th grade from Kotibak School. The United Nations has proclaimed May 22 the International Day for Biological Diversity to increase understanding and awareness of biodiversity issues. So, the importance of biodiversity. When there is biodiversity in an ecosystem, it translates to a greener environment. This is because plant life thrives in a balanced ecosystem. This invariably affects humans as we consume plants for our survival. Also, a healthy ecosystem can help to reduce the risk of diseases and the way we respond to them. Some of them are stopping penetration of invasive alien species, using sustainable agriculture methods, having protected areas for species to thrive, having an organic maintenance culture for fertilizers. So, the conclusion we get is to make the world a safe place for all organisms, we must maintain good health in all the ecosystems. This is the benefit of paying attention to biodiversity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mutaiba Mushtaq of class 11th from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Kotibag. As we all know, the United Nations has proclaimed May 22nd as the International Day of Biological Diversity. Before we celebrate this day, let's understand biological diversity. Think of anything we use, we need, the air we breathe, or the food we eat, the house we live in, or curing diseases with medicines. We are not the only creation. Our solutions are in the nature. Do we really appreciate the importance of biodiversity? Have we thought about extinction of species occurring around 1000 greater than its natural rate? We, the human, predicted to reach 9 billions by 2050 for clothing, for food, shelter, medicines, recreation, for everything we rely on this wonderful biodiversity. Sustainable development is just impossible unless we consider ourselves as a part of biodiversity and not its owner. Come the International Day for Biological Diversity, let's find our solutions in nature.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Said Painda from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Kotibag. As on Biodiversity Day, I would like to share 5 points about biodiversity with you. The meaning of the biodiversity is the presence of different species of animals and plants on the earth. It plays a major role in maintaining the balance of the earth. There are different types of biodiversity named genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. Many species of animals and plants are dependent on each other. Therefore, if one of them gets lost, the others will start getting endangered too. Human survival also depends on plants and animals. The growing population, industrialization, and technology are impacting biodiversity. Increasing human activities are reducing the natural area for plants and animals. A number of plants and animals have gone lost because of increased deforestation and other factors. Growing pollution causes global warming and climate change, and it is a big threat to biodiversity. So that was all from me. Thank you.